In this video, I'll show you how to connect Sophos VPN on your Mac using Sophos Connect. Before we start, if you want a VPN that's fast, reliable, and works perfectly for gaming, streaming, and secure browsing, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. First of all, you need to configure the Sophos Connect server on your Sophos firewall. Once that is done, you have to download the Sophos Connect client directly from the firewall portal. You can go to VPN, then IPC Remote Access, and click on Download Client. You will also need a configuration file, which you can get by clicking on Export Connection and downloading the configuration. Once you have the tar file downloaded, extract it. Inside, you will find the configuration file in a TMP folder, usually with a .tgb extension. This is the file you will use on macOS as your VPN configuration. Alongside this, you will also have the setup file for Sophos Connect. It usually comes as a PKG extension file, for example, Sophos Connect 1.4.pkg, which is compatible with macOS. You also have the option to download this setup file from the user portal if your administrator has allowed it. Now, let's move to your Mac. After extracting the files, you should see two files, the PKG setup file and the .tgb configuration file. No special expertise is required here. Just double-click the PKG file to start the installation. You will need to enter your Mac password to allow the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, and in just a few minutes, Sophos Connect will be installed. Once installed, you will see the Sophos icon appear in the menu bar. Next, open the Sophos Connect app. It will ask you to import a configuration file. Click on Import and navigate to the .gbb configuration file you downloaded earlier. Select it and click Open. Once the configuration is imported, click Connect. The VPN will establish a secure connection. Your IP address will automatically change, and your internet traffic will be encrypted. If the VPN disconnects, you can simply reopen the app and click Connect again. Once connected, you can monitor the connection status, see the duration, and check the data being sent and received. The VPN will continue running in the background, even if you close the main window, ensuring your connection stays secure while you work or browse. When you're done using the VPN, open the Sophos Connect app again and click Disconnect to return to your normal internet connection. By following these steps, you can easily use Sophos Connect on your macOS to securely access your network, protect your data, and stay safe online. If you want a VPN that works everywhere, with extra speed, privacy, and reliability, NordVPN is the best choice. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy secure, fast, and private internet on any device.